Good evening, students. Today we are going to learn about the trigonometry in this session. So trigonometry is the branch of the mathematics that deals with the sides and angles of the right angled triangle. So this is the right angle triangle and this is its 90-degree angle. Assume this angle as theta and this is its base AB. This is name the sides as AB, BC and AC. So the side containing angle 90-degree and theta is known as base, and the side which is at 90-degree angle to the base is known as perpendicular, and the side just opposite to the right angle is known as hypotenuse. So we learn trigonometry with the help of T ratios, that is also known as trigonometric ratios. Or trigonometric functions. So guys, here is the, let me draw the right angle triangle again. Here is the right angle triangle ABC. This is its angle theta which we are considering. So this is its base, name it as B. This is its perpendicular, this is its hypotenuse, name it as H. So you have to find out the trigonometric ratios. So trigonometric ratios are the ratios of the sides and which define the relationship with angle. So the ratio of the, so first trigonometric ratio is the sine theta. Sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, or we can say that perpendicular here is AC or hypotenuse is base BC. So this is sine theta. Next is cos theta. This is base upon hypotenuse. This is AB upon BC. Next one is tan theta. This is the perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is AC and base is AB. Also you can find tan theta as tan theta is sine theta over cos theta. This is P upon H over b upon h. So cancelling the bottom terms, so we get p upon v. So these are the basic three trigonometric ratios, and if we find the inverse of these trigonometric ratios, then we can get the another three trigonometric ratios. So let me tell you. Next one is cosecant theta. So it is the inverse of sine theta. And what is sine theta? It is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So hypotenuse upon perpendicular is the cosecant theta. Similarly, what is the opposite of cos theta? It is the secant theta, and it is 1 upon cosine theta. This is h upon b. You can also see above. And next is cot theta. So cot theta is the inverse of inverse of tan theta. Base upon perpendicular. So six these are the six trigonometric ratios